Let's take a look at our Corona, tail of the tape Corona, who invites you to find your beach. There you see a significant age difference between Spencer and Macon. The height and the reach are in favor of the 41-year-old.
Ladies and gentlemen, the action resumes here in Ontario, California. Premier Boxing Champions now features 4 rounds in the junior middleweight division. Your referee in charge when the bell sounds is Jack Reese. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner. He comes in wearing the black trim with the white. He is a 2-fight veteran fighting out of Durham, North Carolina. Here is Cory Macon. And across the ring, his opponent fighting out of the blue corner. He comes in wearing the black trunks as professional. He's undefeated, 4 wins, all of those coming by way of knockouts. Fighting out of Linden, Michigan. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the fast rising Joey Spencer.
Joey Spencer taking on Cory Macon. Joey Spencer, just 18 years of age. Here's another someone to take here and be on the lookout for when Joey Spencer fights. Do not blink.
Exactly.
Tonight, Joey Spencer fighting with a heavy heart. He is fighting in memory of a close friend of his, Aaron Stedman, who got killed in a car accident, and his outfit is a memorial in tribute to Aaron Stedman out in Linden, Michigan. Cory Macon out of Durham, North Carolina, looking for his first professional victory.
Don't turn your head like that.
And now Spencer going to work.
Stop.
Spencer going right to work on Cory Macon.
Turn your face away. You can't turn away.
What I love about Spencer is how relaxed he is in the ring. How composed he is.
Now, Joey Spencer does not like to get paid by the round. My goodness, he quickly likes to go out there and finish off his opponents.
Stop. My break. Step away from each other. Box.
He's 4-0. He actually told us he wants to be a world champion. Oh, there's a left hook that shook up Macon. He said he wants to be a world champion by age 20. So he says he wants to be the youngest American to hold the world title. I think right now that distinction is held by David Benavidez.
Yeah, what was it, 21?
Like 20, 21, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
And now Spencer going to work on Cory Macon.
Spencer's he's on the road already.
Well, they had dreams about going to the 2016 Olympics, but because the age limit's at 18, he couldn't go, and he decided, you know what, my style is more suited for the pros.
Yeah, I think it was a great choice. He's making a big statement, rising really quick in the professional game, and he's doing a great job.
He's trained by his father, Jason. Joey's mother, Amanda Spencer, also very much involved. Now Spencer going to work. A right hook to the body. Cory Macon getting unloaded upon. Left hook, and look at the power by the 18-year-old in Joey Spencer. Big left hook by Spencer. Crushing right hand now, and I think he knows he can physically overpower Cory Macon. Now it is just target practice by Spencer. Hooks to the body.
What I love about Spencer is he hurts a guy and he don't smother himself. He keeps that distance.
What a left hook! Macon is out on his feet. There he goes! And this one could be it! Macon looks like he's in a world of trouble.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
See you later, Cory Macon. Joey Spencer, 5-0 with 5 knockouts.
Sit down right here, please.
Tremendous job. Putting his punches together, not smothering himself. Everything was right there on point. Had leverage on everything he threw and got him out of there.
2 minutes, 36 seconds of round 1 for your winner by knockout and still undefeated, Joey Spencer.